Hey guys, what's going on? So I had a weird thing happen with my RV. It's brand new, and the black water tank flush wasn't working when I bought it. So what happened to me was I'd hook up the hose to the outside receptacle, and it was almost like putting a hose flush against the wall. Like no water was going into it right here for the black water tank to clean it all out. And so what I did is I called, the service center, the IV place that I bought it from, and they came up and fixed it. This ended up being like a bad valve from what they told me, like an air relief valve. I guess it's in the system. So if you buy a new RV, I always say it all the time, make sure you go through everything. This should have been checked at the dealer, but it wasn't. And the thing's brand new. Call the service center, see if they can help you out. This video is kind of just about something that happened to me, and if you're experiencing the same thing, look into it. And if it's an old camper and you're experiencing it, it may be, a bad valve inside or something like that that's causing the issue, or a clog inside the tank with some toilet paper that can clog up the jet as well. So happy camping, and we'll see you around the channel.